Have you ever paused to consider the profound importance of rest in your spiritual journey? In a world buzzing with constant activity, the Bible gently reminds us of the divine gift of rest. Matthew 11:28-30 invites us, "Come to me, all who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest." This passage speaks to the soul's need for tranquility, urging us to find solace in faith. Rest is not merely about ceasing physical activity. It's about renewing our spirits and finding peace in God's presence. The Sabbath, as introduced in Genesis, underscores this, where God Himself rested on the seventh day, setting a divine example. Rest allows us to reflect, rejuvenate, and realign with our purpose. Personal application of this principle can transform lives. Imagine setting aside time each day to disconnect from distractions and reconnect with God through prayer and meditation. This practice can lead to profound healing and personal transformation. As you embrace this rest, pray for strength and guidance, asking God to restore your spirit and fill you with hope. If these messages touch your heart, don't forget to like this video to support our channel and help spread God's wisdom. Share this message with someone who needs encouragement today. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an inspiring video. Comment below and let us know which lesson spoke to you the most. Thank you for being a part of our community. May God bless you on your journey of faith.